Hello everyone, we'll be talking about what new in Fortnite last over today. First let's start with this new Venom skin coming out tomorrow. You have to play in the cup tomorrow on the 18th. And new item shop design. Include everything new and awesome. And we have the banner set, everything in it. I have this thing, and that's it. My favorite thing. We have this skin. I don't like it. The busy emote. Cyberpunk. I don't think these are any copyrighted songs. Emotes. I don't think anymore. We still have the walking skin in the item shop. Recent. Black Widow skin. I don't know why it doesn't show. I think it have low qualities on the PC and I have a bad PC. Stay tuned for that. I'm getting a new PC. I have Nundy skin. Alright, I have Cuddlepole and Deadpool, I forgot. Back in Chapter 2, Season 2. Chapter 2, Season 2. I'm right. This is all the new stuff in the item shop. All the Marvel stuff. The Snap. My favorite emote of Marvel. And Snoop. The fireworks for 4th of July. I love 4th of July. Now it ended like 5 months ago. I'm very sad about that, but I don't really care. I have to wait for next month. Favorite skin in the item shop. This one. We'll be waiting for the return of the release date of the new old soccer skins. Stay tuned to that. I'm doing a video about that. There's Ghost Rider for everything. The pickaxe, the glider. So much stuff in it. I don't know why I showed the glider. Didn't show the glider for me. But stay tuned for that. When the soccer skins will ever come back, I'll be doing a video straight on that. This is Zig and Venom Cup tomorrow. Then more information, put that. I don't want to push that. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.